Dr. Juan Verai Kharuki, RITI, Banwalaiji, Northeast, 8th schedule. Please.
Well, my state, Meghalaya, had already celebrated 50 years of statehood, sir, on the 21st of January, 2022. Sir, Meghalaya comprises of two ethnic groups, KHASI, Jaintia, and the Garos, who speak different languages. But the sad part is, sir, that in spite of the demand made by the people, and a resolution was passed by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly for the inclusion of the KHASI and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution, nothing was done, sir. Today, we are a state of 50 years, but without a recognized language. Sir, I appreciate your wishes that you used to express in this august house in favor of having members expressing themselves in the house in their own language. Sir, I take this opportunity to request you, through your good office, sir, to impress upon the government that though 50 years we are a state without a language,
right,
but at least on attaining 50 years of statehood, the government may recognize us by including the KHASI and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Anwaraiji.